Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. In this video, I will show you how to get home telephone service for free. Before we start, you need a mobile device which you don't use anymore and a Wi-Fi connection at home. I have Wi-Fi and an old iPhone here, so let's get right into it. First, depending on your phone, go to the App Store or Google Play Store or BlackBerry World and search for an app called Fongo, and that's spelled as Fongo. Once Fongo is installed, you're going to click on Open and click on Register here. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be entering some random information. And enter the code at the bottom to prove that you're not a robot. And press continue. For this next step, you're going to be entering where you live. So choose the province and city, and some random Canadian phone numbers will be generated. So pick the one that you like the most and press continue. Now you're going to be putting your contact info for 911 purpose, so the emergency responder can pull up the file for whatever you input in here. So please do it correctly here. I'm just going to stop here. Once you click on continue, you're going to be agreeing to Fongo's terms and conditions on the next page, and they're going to be sending you an email confirmation there, and your account is set up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to test out a phone that I have already set up, a working phone number with Fongo here. And as you can see, this is my current home telephone right now, or a secondary telephone anyways. It has no SIM card, strictly running on Wi-Fi. So I'm going to go ahead and call the phone number here to show you that it actually works. So there you have it, your very own home telephone at no cost. I hope you like this video, so please check out my other videos to save money on your TV and telephone needs. See you there.